Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take up our last exercise 9.3 from the same chapter. Now coming to the question number 1. In figure 9.23, E is any point on the median AD of triangle ABC. Now we need to show that the area of ABE is equals to area of ACE. So make this diagram. Now this is A, B and C, and this is a median given to us. This is at point D. So median divides the side into two equal halves as well as triangle into two equal areas. Median हमेशा क्या करता है, triangle को दो equal areas में divide करता है. And the point E is given over here. पॉइंट ई दिया हुआ है अभी और ये दोनों साइड से भी ज्वाइंट है. सो वी नीड टू प्रूव दैट एरिया ऑफ दिस ABE. सो टी प्रूव दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABE, एरिया ऑफ ABE इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ACE. This we need to prove. So this is the region now ABE and ACE. So this in triangle ABC, AD is median. Therefore, area of triangle ADB will be equals to area of triangle ADC, because median divides triangle into two equal areas. So median divide triangle into two equal areas. So area of this complete ADB will be equals to area of triangle this ADC. Now see that in triangle, so this equation can be taken as first one. Now in triangle this BEC, this ED is median. ED is median, so therefore area of triangle BED will be equals to area of triangle CED, because again we can write median divides triangle into two equal areas. So this is now equation number 2. So on subtracting equation 2 from इक्वेशन 1. अभी हमने क्या प्रूफ किया हुआ इसमें, ये कंप्लीट ट्रायंगल के एरिया इस कंप्लीट ट्रायंगल के एरिया के बराबर है और इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया बराबर है. तो कंप्लीट एरिया में से अगर मैं ये एरिया सेपरेट करूंगा तो मेरे को ये एरिया मिलेगी और इधर कंप्लीट एरिया में से ये सब एरिया सेपरेट करेंगे तो ये एरिया मिलेगी. सो दैट विल बी आवर प्रूफ. सो area of triangle ADB minus area of triangle BED will be equals to area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle CED. So this will be now area of triangle ABE will be equals to area of triangle ACE. So this is proved that area of triangle ABE is equals to area of triangle ACE. Now coming to question number 2. In a triangle ABC is the midpoint of the median. So in a triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC, A, B and C, and this is the median given to us AD, and it is given that E is the midpoint of this median. So E is also the midpoint of this median. This is the point E. So now we can say that in triangle ABC, this AD is median. Therefore, I can write area of triangle ABD will be equals to area of triangle ACD, because median divides triangle into two equal areas. So this is now equation number 1. Similarly, now see that coming to this, now in triangle BEC, this ED is median. Now ED is median, therefore area of triangle BED will be equals to area of triangle CED. Again same region, median divides triangle into two equal areas. And now coming to this triangle ABD, this is also now in triangle ABD, BE is median, because this AD side का भी क्या है, E mid point है, तो now BE is median for this triangle ABD. अभी BE median हो गया तो ये साइड, ये एरिया और ये एरिया दोनों बराबर होगा. So in triangle ABD now BE is median. Therefore area of triangle BED will be equals to area of triangle AED. So this is equation number 3. So now this area is equals to this area, and again now in triangle ADC, ACD, now this CE is median. Now coming to this triangle, in this triangle CE is the median, therefore this area will be equals to this area. So therefore area of triangle this CED will be equals to area of triangle AE, area of triangle this CED is equals to area of triangle AEC. So this is now equation number 4. So from all these 4 equations we got, so from 1, 2, 3 and 4 we got that area of triangle AEB plus area of triangle this is equals to this, all our areas are equal. So AEB is equals to area of triangle BE is equals to area of triangle BED is equals to area of triangle CED is equals to area of triangle AEC. So all areas are equal. Now we can write area of triangle AEB plus area of triangle BED plus area of triangle CED plus area of triangle AEC is equals to area of triangle ABC. So area, this area plus this plus this plus this, all areas will be equals to the area of triangle ABC. This is what I have written. Since all these areas are equal, so I can write so this can be written as area of triangle. Now these all triangles are equal areas, so this can be written as area of triangle. This is BED, area of triangle BED plus area of triangle BED. अभी हमने AED को AEB को भी क्या लिख दिया, BED एज इट इज प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CED, इसको भी अभी हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BED लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज सारी एरियाज क्या अभी इक्वल है, प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AEC, इसको भी अभी हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BED. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. इनको सबको ऐड करेंगे. नाउ दिस विल बी 4 टाइम्स एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BED विल बी इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. Therefore, area of triangle BED will be equals to 1/4 area of triangle ABC. So now this is proved that area of triangle this BED is equals to 1/4 because पहले अभी हमने क्या किया, एक ये AD को मीडियन लिया, ये कंप्लीट एरिया, ये कंप्लीट एरिया आ गए. उसके बाद फिर BE को मीडियन लिया तो ये एरिया इसके बराबर आ गई और ये एरिया इसके बराबर आ गई. तो 1 2 3 4 चारों एरियाज बराबर आ गई. चारों एरियाज का सम किसके बराबर होगा, एरिया ऑफ ABC. सो वन एरिया विल बी इक्वल टू 1/4 ऑफ द कंप्लीट एरिया ABC. So now coming to question number 3. So that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into the triangles of equal areas. So we'll make a parallelogram now. This is a parallelogram A, B, C and D. So now we prove that diagonals of a parallelogram divided into triangles of 4 equal areas. Now see that here in triangle ABD, this AO is median. AO is median. See that in triangle A, B and D, AO is the median because in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. सो अभी AO क्या कर रहा है, इस साइड को बाइसेक्ट ही तो कर रहा है दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में. सो नाउ इट बिकम्स मीडियन. सो मीडियन का मतलब क्या होगा, दिस एरिया विल बी इक्वल टू दिस एरिया बिकॉज मीडियन डिवाइड्स ट्रायंगल इनटू 2 इक्वल एरियाज. सिमिलरली अभी हम इस साइड को लेके जाएंगे, OB विल बी द मीडियन, सो दिस एरिया विल बी इक्वल टू दिस एरिया. सिमिलरली अभी इधर लेकर के जाएंगे, दिस एरिया विल बी इक्वल टू दिस एरिया. इसको मीडियन लेके जाएंगे, दिस एरिया विल बी इक्वल टू दिस एरिया. सो ऑल 4 एरियाज विल बी इक्वल. So therefore area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle AOD. This is question number 1 because median divides triangle into 2 equal areas. Similarly in triangle ABC, in triangle A, B and C, OB is the median. OB is median. Therefore area of triangle AOB will be equals to area of triangle BOC. This is now equation number 2 because OB is the median, will divide this triangle into 2 equal areas. Similarly, we will consider this triangle BCD in which OC will be the median. So this area will be equals to this area. Now in triangle BCD, this OC is median. Therefore, area of triangle BOC will be equals to area of triangle COD. So this is now equation number 3. Now in triangle ADC, ADC, this OD is median now. In this triangle A, C and D, this OD is median, therefore this area will be equal to this area again. So therefore area of triangle AOD will be equals to area of triangle COD. Now this is question number 4. So from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from all these 4 equations we got area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle COD is equals to area of triangle BOC. So all these areas are equal. So this is proved. So we can write therefore diagonals divide parallelogram into 4 triangles of equal areas. So diagonals in the parallelogram divides it into 4 triangles of equal areas. So now coming to question number 4th. In figure 9.24, ABC and ABD are the 2 triangles on the same base AB. If a line segment CD is bisected by AB at O, then we need to prove that the area of ABC is equal to area of ABD. So this is the diagram given to us. This is D and here it is B, here it is A and C. So this CD is joint and this AB is also joint and this point is O and this side is equal to this side. It is given to us. Now see that we will consider this triangle A, C and D in which OA as a median, because this side is equal to this side is given. So AO will be median, then area of this triangle will be equal to area of this triangle. And similarly we will consider this triangle BCD. Now again OB will be the median because this side is equal to this side. So therefore area of this triangle will be equal to area of this triangle. We will add up these 2 equations, that will give our required result. So in triangle ACD, this AO is median, therefore area of triangle AOC will be equals to area of triangle AOD, because now this is equation number 1. We can write the region median divides triangle into 2 equal areas. So this is the equation number 1. Similarly we will proceed for this triangle in triangle BCD. Now in triangle BCD, this OB is median. So again OB is the median, so OB will divide this triangle into 2 equal areas. So I can write area of triangle BOC will be equals to area of triangle BOD. This is now equation number 2. So we will add up these 2 equations, adding 1 and 2. We got area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle this BOC is equals to area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOD. Area of triangle AOC plus BOC. AOC and BOC, this is equals to ABC. So this is area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle ABD. So this is proved. Now coming to question number 5th. D, E, F are the respectively the midpoint of these sides A, B, C. Now I will make this figure now. So this is A, B, C. This is a triangle given to us, and it is given that D is on BC. So D is over here, and E is on this CA, and F is over here. So this is F, this is E, and these points are joined, and we need to prove that BDEF is a parallelogram. BDEF, this is a parallelogram. This we need to prove. So again here we will use the midpoint theorem. Now in triangle, now see in triangle ABC, for this D and E are midpoints of BC and AC. Therefore this DE is equals to half of AB, and DE is parallel to AB. This is the first equation by midpoint theorem. This D is the midpoint and E is the midpoint already given. So this side DE will be equals to half of AB and will be parallel to this AB. So therefore we got DE is equals to BF, because half of AB is equals to the BF, because F is the midpoint. We can write F is midpoint of AB. So therefore I can write DF is equals to this. So therefore now BDEF is a parallelogram, because one pair of the opposite sides DE and BF, they are parallel and equal. So therefore it is a parallelogram, because DE is parallel to BF and DE is equals to BF. So now this is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, this is now DF is diagonal. So DF is diagonal. DF is diagonal. Therefore area of triangle BDF will be equals to area of triangle DEF. So this is now equation number 2, because this is a parallelogram. parallelogram ये diagonal है, तो ये area इस parallelogram की area के बराबर में होगा. Now similarly we will come to this point. D and E, D and F. D and F are midpoints of side BC and AB. Therefore we can write this DF is equals to half of, now D and F, they are the midpoint of this side BC and AB. So DF will be equals to half of AC and parallel to AC. Half of AC and DF will be parallel to AC. So this we can write as equation number 3 from midpoint theorem. So this is by midpoint theorem. So from midpoint theorem, now again one pair of, so this side DF, now this will be equals to CE. So DF is equals to CE because E is midpoint of AC. So therefore now DCEF is a parallelogram because DF is equals to CE and DF is parallel to CE. So this is a parallelogram now. Again this DE is the diagonal, therefore area of these two triangles will be equal. So therefore area of triangle DCE will be equals to area of triangle DEF because diagonal divides parallelogram into two equal areas. Similarly, this will be a parallelogram. Similarly, we can write area of triangle AEF will be equals to area of triangle DEF. So this is, now we can write this equation number 4 and this is the equation number 5. So from equation 3, 4 and 5 we got that area of triangle, this area of triangle BDF plus area of triangle this BDF and DEF plus area of triangle DCE plus area of triangle AEF. This is equals to area of triangle ABC. So now all these areas are equal, so I can write therefore area of triangle DEF is equals to 1/4 area of triangle ABC. So this is proved. Now see that this area, all four triangles area is equal, so I can write area of this triangle BDEF is equals to half of ABCD. Therefore area of this BDEF is equals to half of area of triangle ABC. बिकॉज जब भी चारों ट्रायंगल की एरिया इक्वल आ गई तो किसी भी दो ट्रायंगल की एरिया क्या होगी, हाफ ऑफ दिस कंप्लीट ट्रायंगल एरिया. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. In figure 9.25, diagonals AC and BD of the quadrilateral ABCD intersect at point O such that OB is equals to OD. This is given, and if AB equals to CD, then we need to show all these. So this is point A, B, C and D. Now this is AC and this point is, and they are intersecting at point O, and this is equals to this already given to us, and this CD it is equals to AB, this is also given to us. Now first of all we will draw perpendiculars from these vertices to this side and from here to this opposite diagonals. We will make these points as suppose M and N. So this is suppose M and this is N. Now these are the altitudes drawn. So draw this DN perpendicular to AC and BM perpendicular to AC. We have drawn these two perpendiculars. Now in triangle DON and triangle BOM, we have taken these two triangles DON and BOM. In these two triangles, now see that this angle is equal to this angle. We can write these angles as angle 1 and angle 2. So this is angle 1 and this take as angle 2. So now angle 1 and angle 2 both are equal because they are the vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. They are vertically opposite angles. And angle N is equals to angle M equals to 90 degree. So this is by construction, and this OD is equals to OB. This is already given to us. Therefore triangle DON is congruent to triangle BOM by, this is by now angle side. So this is by angle side congruency. Therefore we can write DN is equals to BM by CPCT. So this is, take it as equation number 1. So these congruent triangles, so therefore this area of triangle DON will be equals to area of triangle BOM, because congruent triangles have equal areas. So congruent triangles have equal areas. This we can write as equation number 2. Now similarly coming to this triangle and this triangle, in triangle DNC, now in triangle D and C and triangle BMA, angle N is equals to angle M. This is by construction, and this DN is equals to BM. This is already proved in equation number 1, and this side CD is equals to AB. This is already given to us. Therefore triangle DNC is congruent to triangle BMA by RHS congruency, because this hypotenuse is equal for both 90 degree का opposite side and 90 degree का opposite side hypotenuse. This side is already equal, we have proved. So this is, and this angle is 90 degree. So right hypotenuse side. So they are congruent. Therefore I can write area of triangle DNC will be equals to area of triangle BMA, because congruent triangles have equal areas. This is equation number 2. So now we can adding equation 2 and equation 3. 2 और 3 को ऐड कर देंगे. So area of triangle DON plus area of triangle DNC will be equals to area of triangle BOM plus area of triangle BMA. So adding these areas, this will be area of triangle. This plus this will be the area of triangle DOC, and this plus this will be area of triangle AOB. So this is area of triangle DOC will be equals to area of triangle AOB. So this one is now proved. Now we need to prove that area of DCB. Now coming to the second. So area of triangle DOC is equals to area of triangle AOB. This is already proved. Now we'll add. So adding this area of triangle BOC now. Adding area of triangle BOC on both sides. अभी यहाँ पे ये हमने ऑलरेडी प्रूव किया हुआ फर्स्ट में. सो इसी एरिया में अगर हम BOC के एरिया को ऐड कर देते हैं, BOC के एरिया ऐड करेंगे इसमें, सो इट विल बी एरिया ऑफ DCB एंड फॉर हियर इट विल बी एरिया ऑफ ABC. So this will be area of triangle DOC plus area of triangle BOC. It will be equals to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC. So this will be equals to now area of triangle DCB is equals to area of triangle ACB. Now this is proved. Now see that this area is equals to this area, so both areas are on the same base BC. So area of triangle DCB is equals to area of triangle ABC. This is equal. So because we can say these triangles are on the same base BC and between BC parallel AD. So these are now parallels, therefore we can write BC is parallel to this, DA is parallel to CB. So therefore now coming to the fourth part, this is third part now. So we can write DA is parallel to BC. So this is proved. So once the one pair of the opposite sides are parallel and this is also parallel, therefore I can write this ABCD is a parallelogram. Now coming to question number 7th. D and E are the points on the AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. So we'll make this triangle ABC. This is A, B and C. Now it is given that D and E are the points on the side AB. So D is on AB. So make it as D on AB and E is on AC. E is on AC respectively of triangle ABC. So and area of DBC is equals to EBC, and this can be joined now. So it is given that area of triangle DBC is equals to area of triangle EBC. This is given to us. Area of triangle B and C, and here it is E, B and C. It is given that. So we need to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Now see that this area, this is on the same base and between these two lines. So once the area of these two triangles are equal, so these triangles, we can write these triangles lies on base DE and between lines between DE and BC. Since their areas are equal, therefore I can write BC is parallel to DE. So BC is parallel to DE. This is proved because ये जो एरिया दिया हुआ है DBC, ये एरिया और दूसरा ABC, ये एरिया कहाँ पर है, DE लाइन पे है और इन दोनों लाइन के बीच में. सो अगर दो ट्रायंगल्स की एरिया एक बेस पे लाई कर रही है और वो इक्वल है, सो दीज टू लाइन्स विल आल्सो बी पैरेलल. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. XY is a line parallel to the BC of triangle ABC. So this is triangle A, B and C. Now it is given that XY is a line. So make this XY is a line parallel to BC. So suppose this is now XY and it is parallel to BC. XY is a line parallel to the BC of triangle ABC such that BE is parallel to now BE, such that BE is parallel to AC. BE is parallel to AC and CF is parallel to AB. Meet XY at E and F. So meets XY at E and F. We can extend these lines. So this is X and this is Y. Now this sides parallel given to us. BE is parallel to AC. So BE we can make. Now this is BE is parallel to AC and CF is parallel to, we can make another line. So this is now CF. This is parallel to AB. So this is given. Now we need to prove that, area of triangle ABE is equals to area of triangle ACF. So A, B and E. So this is now ABE, means we need to join this also. So this is now ABE and another is ACF. So this is now ACF. So this is the triangle. We need to prove the area of triangle ABE and ACF. Now see that BC is parallel to, now BC is parallel to XY. This is given to us. Therefore we can write, and this BX and BX is parallel to, now this BX is parallel to CF. This is also given to us. Therefore BCFX is a parallelogram. This is now 1. Now see that area of this parallelogram, area of this triangle, this ACF will be equals to the half of area of this, because this triangle and this parallelogram, they lie on the same base. I can write area of triangle ACF will be equals to half of area of parallelogram, half of area of parallelogram BCFX. So this is now equation number 2. See that area of this triangle ACF, इसकी एरिया क्या होगी इस वाले पैरेललोग्राम के BCFX, इसके क्या होगी हाफ हाफ होगी, बिकॉज दे आर लाई ऑन द सेम बेस BC and same base CF and parallel CF parallel AB. So we can write lies on base CF and between this CF parallel AB. Now similarly coming to this side, this is now BC is parallel to XY, this is given to us, and this BE is parallel to CY, this is also given to us. Therefore BCYE is a parallelogram. So BCYE ये भी एक पैरेललोग्राम हो गया. And we can write this area of parallelogram BCYE is equals to area of parallelogram this BCFX, because so this is now equation number 3, because parallelograms on the same base BC and they are between BC parallel EF. So they are on the same base and between the same parallel, so their areas will also be equal now. Now see that area of AEB, now area of triangle ABE will be equals to half of area of parallelogram ABE. इस वाले ट्रायंगल की एरिया क्या होगी इस वाले पैरेललोग्राम के BCYE, इसके हाफ होगी, बिकॉज दे आर ऑन द सेम बेस BE and parallel BE parallel AC. BCYE because they lies on base BE and between BE parallel AC. So this is now equation number 4. So from equation number 2 and 4, from equation 2 and 4, equation number 2 and equation number 4, we can write that area of triangle ACF is equals to half of area of parallelogram BCYE, because area of parallelogram BCYE is equals to area of parallelogram BCFX. इन दोनों की एरियाज ये दोनों पैरेललोग्राम के एरियाज क्या बराबर है, तो अभी हमने BCFX को क्या लिख दिया BCYE. So therefore area of triangle ACF is equals to area of triangle ABE. So this is proved. So पहले अभी हमने क्या किया, इस वाले ट्रायंगल की एरिया हाफ ऑफ BCYX के बराबर ले लिया BCYE, और सिमिलरली इस वाले ट्रायंगल की एरिया BCFX के बराबर ले लिया हाफ ऑफ दिस. अभी ये दोनों पैरेललोग्राम की एरिया बराबर है, so this triangle's area will also be equal. So coming to question number 9th. The side AB of a parallelogram ABCD is produced to any point P a line through A parallel to the CP meets CB produced in Q, and then the parallelogram PBQR is completed in figure 9.26. We need to show that area of ABCD is equals to area of PBQR. This point is P, C, D, then here it is A, this is now B, and this is Q, this is R, and this side is joined. And this point is B already mentioned. Now we will join these diagonals. These are the diagonals joined. Now we need to prove that area of ABCD is equals to area PBQR. This we need to prove that area of ABCD, this is equals to area of PBQ and R. Now see that if we consider this AQ, this is already parallel given to this CP. Since AQ is parallel to this PC, this is given to us. So now area of this triangle APQ, so area of triangle APQ will be equals to area of triangle. Now area of triangle APQ will be equals to area of ACQ because they lies on base AQ and between AQ parallel PC. So now this is equation number 1. So on subtracting area of triangle ABQ from both sides, so we will subtract this area ABQ from this triangle, so we will get area of triangle APQ minus area of triangle ABQ, that will be equals to area of triangle ACQ minus area of triangle ABQ. So now this will be area of this only. So on subtracting the area of APQ minus APQ minus this, so this will be the area of PBQ. This will be area of triangle PBQ equals to area of triangle. Now ACQ minus this area will be the area of ABC, area of triangle ABC. So on multiplying by 2 on both sides, so this will be now twice of area of triangle PBQ will be equals to twice of area of triangle ABC. So अभी PBQ इसका अगर मैं डबल करूंगा क्या हो जाएगा, दिस विल बी द एरिया ऑफ PBQR. So this will be now area of PBQR, this will be equals to area of ABCD because these are the parallelograms already given. parallelogram की एरिया डायगोनल क्या करता है, बाइसेक्ट करता है, तो अभी हमने इसको डबल किया, सो दिस विल बी द एरिया ऑफ द कंप्लीट दिस parallelogram. So now this is proved. So now coming to question number 10th. Diagonals AC and BD of the trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at O. Prove that area of AOD is equals to area of BOC. So this is a trapezium now, A, B, C and D. So AC and BD, AC and BD, they both intersect at point O, and it is given that AB is parallel to CD. So this is given to us. Now we need to prove that area of AOD, area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. This we need to prove. Now AOD, see AOD, this is over here and BOC over here. So now we can write area of triangle this DAC is equals to area of triangle DBC. Area of triangle DAC is equals to area of triangle DBC because these triangles lie on the same base DC and between the parallel AB and DC. So this is equation number 1 because they lies on base DC and between AB parallel CD. Now this is the common area between both these triangles, so we can subtract this common area. So on subtracting area of triangle COD on both sides, so this will be area of triangle DAC minus area of triangle COD is equals to area of triangle DBC minus area of triangle COD. So now this DAC minus this area will give you the area of AOD. So this is area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle. So this complete area minus this shaded region area will give you the area of triangle BOC. Area of triangle BOC. So this we have proved that this area of AOD is equals to area of BOC. Now coming to question number 11th. In figure 9.27, ABCDE is a pentagon. A line through B parallel to the AC is meeting DC produced at F. Now we need to prove this following. So this is the diagram given to us. This is now point A and this is B. So this is C and this is F. And this is going up to point D, and from here this is point E, and this AE is joined and BC is joined and this AF is joined. So now this is the figure given to us. In this figure, first one we need to prove that area of ACB is equals to area ACF, and second area AEDF is equals to area ABCD E. So these two we need to prove. Now see that we need to prove that area of ACB is equals to ACF. So we will take up this base, since it is given that this ABCD is a pentagon and line B, a line through B parallel to the AC. So means AC is parallel to BF. This is given to us. So therefore area of triangle ACB will be equals to area of triangle ACF, because they lies on base AC and between AC parallel to BF. So this area ACB and ACF will be equal, because they are on the same base AC and between parallel AC and BF. So this is now first one. Now see that we need to prove AEDF. तो अभी हम AEDF इस कंप्लीट रीजन में देखिए, अभी ये वाला क्वाड्रेटल क्या ऐड हो रहा है, इस कंप्लीट ट्रायंगल में क्या हो रहा है, सिर्फ यही क्वाड्रेटल तो ऐड हो रहा है, और दूसरा वाला जो ABCDE, तो इसमें अभी क्या ये वाला ट्रायंगल ऐड हो रहा है इस वाले क्वाड्रेटल में. सो विल ऐड अप दिस क्वाड्रेटल इज द कॉमन एरिया बिटवीन these two areas. So we'll add on adding area ACDE on both sides. So this was the first one, it was proved. Now coming to the second one. So on area both side of equation 1. So ये भी हमारी इक्वेशन 1 थी, इसके अभी हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों तरफ ये क्वाड्रेटल के एरिया ऐड करेंगे. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ACB प्लस एरिया ACDE will be equals to area of triangle ACF plus area ACDE. So now area ACB plus this will give you area ABCDE. So this will be equals to area ACDBE, ACB plus this. So this will be area ABCDE. Area ABCDE will be equals to area. Now this area with this quadrilateral, it will be area AEDF. Area AEDF. So we have proved that area, therefore area AEDF is equals to area ABCDE. So this is proved. Now coming to question number 12th. A villager Itwari has a plot of the land of the shape of the quadrilateral. The Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of this plot from one of the corners to construct a health care center. Itwari agrees to the above proposal with the condition that he should be given equal amount of land in lieu of this land adjoining to this plot, so as to form a triangular plot. Explain how this proposal will be implemented. So now first of all we will make a field, quadrilateral shaped field. It is already given. So first of all we will make a quadrilateral shaped field. So this is A, B, C and D. Suppose this is a quadrilateral. Now we will join this diagonal AD. Now from this point we'll draw a line parallel to this diagonal BD from A. So we'll draw a line parallel to this diagonal and we'll extend this side CD to meet this point at E, suppose, and again we will join this side BE. We will join this side BE. So suppose they are meeting at point, this point is O. So this BE is meeting at point O. Now see that we need to understand first of all A B C D इस क्वाड्रेटल शेप में कोई फील्ड है और क्या एग्री हुआ कि इस फील्ड के किसी एक कॉर्नर पे हेल्थ केयर सेंटर के लिए प्लॉट दे दिया जाएगा और उसकी जगह पे जो ग्राम पंचायत उसको क्या करेगा, एक दूसरी जगह पे प्लॉट देगी ताकि उसके पास में जो नेट प्लॉट होगा दैट हैज टू बी इन द रेक्टेंगुलर शेप, मीन्स जो फाइनल प्लॉट आएगा वो BCE, ये एक ट्रायंगुलर शेप है तो इस शेप में आना चाहिए और वो एक किसी कॉर्नर पे भी प्लॉट को हेल्थ केयर सेंटर के लिए दे सकता है। तो अभी हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि ये वाली एरिया इस वाली एरिया के बराबर में है कि नहीं। अगर ये एरिया दोनों बराबर में, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, म्यूनिसिपैलिटी जितना ले रहे हैं उससे और उतना ही क्या कर रहा है, उसको रिटर्न कर रहे हैं। सो वी नीड टू प्रूव दैट दिस एरिया ऑफ दिस रीजन इज इक्वल्स टू द एरिया ऑफ दिस रीजन। So first of all, draw a line AE parallel to this BD. BD the diagonal of this quadrilateral, and join this BE and AE. Join this BE and AE. Now see that if we take this AD as the diagonal, AD side से, और we can take this BD also. So BD side से देखिए अभी now BD is parallel to AE. So अभी BD side से BD as a base से अभी एक ये वाला ट्रायंगल बन रहा है और दूसरा ये वाला ट्रायंगल बन रहा है। कौन सा, दिस DEB, ये एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है BD बेस पे और दूसरा DAB, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल बन रहे हैं BD बेस पे। सो वी कैन राइट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DEB will be equals to area of triangle DEB. This is equals to area of triangle DAB because they lies on base BD and between this BD parallel AE, because they are lying on the same base BD and between the parallel BD and AE. So this area is equal now, so we can write this as equation number 1. And similarly now this area is common to both. अभी हमने ये वाला एरिया लिया हुआ है, इस एरिया में क्या ये वाला कॉमन है और इस एरिया में भी अगर हम जा रहे हैं तो ये कॉमन रीजन एरिया आ गया। सो कॉमन रीजन एरिया को सपोज अभी हमने इसको हाईलाइट किया कॉमन रीजन के एरिया को। सो दिस रेड रीजन, दिस इज द कॉमन रीजन नाउ इन बोथ। अभी हम क्या करेंगे, अपना रेड रीजन के एरिया को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे जो भी एरिया आई है। सो ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग area of triangle BOD on both sides, so you'll get area of triangle DEB minus area of triangle BOD. This will be equals to area of triangle DAB minus area of triangle BOD. So now DEB minus this area will be area this DOE. So this will be area of triangle DOE will be equals to area of triangle, this is AOB. So since the area of triangle DOE is equals to area of triangle AOB, therefore now this area can be taken for the healthcare center and this will be the additional area given to him. So we can write, therefore the plot will be BCE. So this BCE will be the final plot allotted to the Itwari as a triangular shape. So now coming to question number 13. ABCD is a trapezium. So we'll make this trapezium first. ABCD is a trapezium given to us. This is A, B, C and D. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to this CD. It is given that AB parallel to DC. This is given to us. A line parallel to AC. Now a line parallel to AC. So we'll first of all we'll join AC. So a line parallel to the AC intersects AB at X. So this is now intersecting AB at X. This is now X point on AB and here it is now Y point on BC and BC at Y. So we'll join this XY. Now we need to prove that area of ADX. So we need to prove that area of triangle ADX is equals to area of triangle ACY. This we need to prove. Now this is ADX. So we need to join this also. So this is now ADX and ACY. So AC and Y, so this need to be joined, ACY. And this we need to join CX also. Now see that this AB is parallel to DC given, therefore AX will also be parallel to DC. AX will also be parallel to DC. Now area of ADX will be equals to ACX. Now area of triangle ADX will be equals to area of triangle AC. Area of triangle ADX and ACX because they lies on base AX and between AX parallel DC. So this is now equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1 we got. Now similarly coming to this side AC. Now AC is parallel to XY. This is given. AC. So this AC is parallel to XY. This is also given to us. So the area of ACX, therefore area of triangle ACX will be equals to area of triangle ACX will be equals to area of triangle AC and Y. Area of triangle ACY because they are lies on same base AC and between AC parallel to XY. AC parallel to XY. So now this is the equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we got area of triangle. Now see that from 1 and 2, this is ADX is equals to ACX and ACX is equals to ACY. So we got ADX is equals to ACY. So from 1 and 2 we got area of triangle ADX is equals to area of triangle ACY. So this is now proved. So now coming to question number 14. In figure 9.28 figure, so this side is A, B, C, this is A, B, R, and this is now C, and this is Q, and here it is B, and these diagonals are already joined. So in figure 9.28, AP is parallel to BQ is parallel to CR. So this is now given to us, and we need to prove that area of triangle AQC is equals to area of triangle PBR. AQC, now see that this is A, Q and C. This is equals to now area of triangle P. This is PB. This point is P. So this is P, B and R. This we need to prove that. Now see that from here, so whatever the areas need to be proved, we can highlight the triangle, it will be better for us. So AQC, now see that this is now A and this is Q, AQC. So this region AQC, and the next one is PBR. So next one we are highlighting with the green one. So this is P, B and this is R. So these two areas we need to prove that these two areas are equal. So now see that taking this base, the area of BAQ, so area of triangle BAQ will be equals to area of triangle, this area of triangle BAQ will be equals to area of triangle QPB, because this is the equation number 1, because they lies on BQ and between BQ parallel to AP. Similarly, we can take up this BQ as the base. Now area of triangle this BCQ will be equals to area of triangle this BCQ will be equals to area of triangle QBR. This is equation number 2, because they lies on BQ and between BQ parallel to CR. So BQ parallel to CR. So now adding 1 and 2, we can add equation 1 and 2. So this will be area of triangle BAQ plus area of triangle BCQ will be equals to area of triangle QPB QPB plus area of triangle QBR. Now area of triangle BAQ plus BCQ. BAQ plus BCQ. This will be area of triangle AQC. So this is area of triangle AQC is equals to area of triangle PBR. So this is proved. So now coming to question number 15. Diagonal AC and BD of quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O. So we can make any quadrilateral. This is A, B, C and D. So diagonal AC and BD of the quadrilateral, they are intersecting at point O. So diagonal AC and BD of the quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O in such a way that area of AOD this is equals to area of triangle BOC. So these two areas are equal. They are already given to us. This area is equals to this area. It is given to us. So area of this AOD is equals to BOC. It is given. So we need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. This we need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. So it is given that area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. This is given to us. Now in this triangle, if we add this common area, so after adding this area, this will be now area of ABD and area of triangle ABC. So this will be ABD and ABC. So on adding area of triangle AOB on both sides. So this will be area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle AOB will be equals to area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOB. So now this will be area of triangle BAD. Area of triangle BAD will be equals to, now this will be area of triangle BAD will be equals to ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Since these areas are equal, ABD and this BAC both are equal, so they lie on the base AB and these areas are equal, therefore AB will be parallel to CD. Since the area of these two triangles are equal, so they lie on the base AB. So we can write since the area of triangle BAD is equals to area of triangle ABC, so they lie on base AB and between sides AB and CD. So therefore AB will be parallel to CD because they lie on this base and the areas are equal, so therefore automatically AB will be parallel to CD. So we can write ABCD is a trapezium because one pair of the opposite sides are parallel, so it is a trapezium because AB is parallel to CD. So this we have proved. Now coming to question number 16. In figure 9.29, so first of all we will make this figure. This is A, B and here it is C and D. These diagonals are joined with P and R. And it is given that we need to prove that the quadrilateral ABCD and DCPR are the trapeziums. So first of all, it is given that area of triangle DRC is equals to area of triangle DPC. It is given to us area of triangle DRC. Now see that this is DRC. Now this area is equal, and DPC, this area is equal to now DRC and DPC. Since these areas are equal, I can write DC is parallel to PR. So these triangles lies on base DC and between sides DC and PR. Therefore, I can write DC is parallel to PR. So therefore, this is now DCPR. This DCPR is a trapezium, because one pair of the opposite side is parallel. Therefore, it is a trapezium. Now coming to the second part, it is given that area of triangle this BDP is equals to area of triangle ARC. Area of triangle this BDP. Now this is B, D and P. This complete area is equal to area of ARC. Now ARC. So from this area we can subtract these equal areas. So this is given to us. Now on subtracting, and this was, suppose this was equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we can subtract now equation number 1 from equation number 2. So from this DP, now this BP, BDP, BDP, if we subtract this area, this is DPC, will get only this area. So on subtracting, equation 1 from equation 2, so area of triangle BDP minus area of triangle DPC. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BDP, इस एरिया में से अगर हम एरिया DPC की सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं ये एरिया, सो विल गेट ओनली दिस एरिया BDC. दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ARC माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DRC. So on subtracting this area, we will get area BCD. So this will be area of triangle BCD will be equals to area of triangle. This is now BCD and ADC. So since these two areas are equal, BCD and ACD, so these areas are equal. Therefore, we can say that these triangles BCD and ADC lies on base DC and between and between DC and AB. DC and AB. So therefore we can say DC is parallel to AB. So this DC is parallel to AB. We can write ABCD is a trapezium. Therefore ABCD is a trapezium because DC is parallel to AB. So this is also proved. So we have proved that both these DCPR and ABCD are trapeziums. So we have finished our 9th chapter. Thank you very much. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.